Hi, it's Mark, and we're at St. Andrew's Lutheran Church and doing a sound check. And there's going to be a big concert here tonight to raise money for the devastation in Haiti.
So I dreamed of sailing ships, families out on Sunday trips, pillows for our heads of iron. Now, oh, don't forget to say prayers, pray that you belong somewhere. Jesus left you all alone. Little lamb without on the right sits in his chair, cups his hands and says his prayers, and all night long his tears fall down like rain. So many mistakes. Down in the gutter, life is slipping away. Love may still be alive somewhere, some way. Running under cover of a helicopter blade. Flames are getting higher in effigy, burning down the bridges of my memory. Love may still be alive somewhere, some way. Down and only dear 100 steel towns away. The rhythm of my heart is beating like a drum. The words I rolling off my tongue. Never will I wrong, 'cause I know